Okay, video number 3 to get through these notes. So, at least they're not all 15 minutes, right? Okay, so this guy, we are going to solve for x's and for y's. This one, my y's are across from one another, and my x's are also across from one another. So since those are vertical, I can just set them equal. I can say 3y plus 5 is equal to y plus 75. So these two equal. I'm going to subtract 5 to give me 70, and I'm going to subtract a y to give me 2y. So I get y equals 35. And as a reminder, this is just asking for x and y in the directions, but had it asked for the actual angles, remember you need to plug it back in. So it's similar process on my x's. 3x plus 7 equals 5x minus 35. I'm going to go ahead and move my 3x's this way to give me 2x's, because I subtract them. I'm going to add 35 here, add 35 here. That gives me 42. Divide by 2, x equals 21. All right. A and B are complementary angles. Remember, complementary means 90 degrees. Okay? So we know that these two are complementary, so they add up to 90. So angle addition postulate tells me to add them. So x plus 2x minus 75 equals 90. So that gives me 3x's because I combine those. And I'm going to add 75 to both sides. So 3x's equals 165. I'm going to divide by 3, and I get x equals, 3 goes into 16 5 times with 1 left over. 3 goes into 15 5 times. So x is 55, but they actually want me to find angle A and B. So now I need to do that. So this angle A would be just 55 degrees because it's just x. To find angle B, I'm going to do 2 times 55. And then I'm going to subtract 75 from that, so I get 35. I'm going to skip down to number 22. Now they are supplementary, so they add to 180. So I'm going to do x plus 50 plus x plus 100. So segment addition postulate, add my two angles and set it equal to what they equal, which is 180 degrees. So that's 2x's plus 150 equals 180. I'm going to I'm going to subtract 150 on both sides. So I get 2x equals 30, divide by 2, so x equals 15. Now I'm going to plug it back in, so 15 plus 50 is 65 degrees. 15 plus 110 is 115 degrees. Go ahead and try 21 and 22 on your own, and then so pause me and unpause me when you're finished with those. Okay. We are going to go on. I'm going to go over. Let's see if this one works on this color. Okay. Same process here. I'm going to add the two angles and set it equal to 90 because they are complementary. 4x plus 34 plus x plus 36 equals 90. That's 5x's. And then 34 and 36 makes 70. I'm going to subtract 70 from both sides, so I get 5x equals 20. Divide by 5, x equals 4. Plug it in up here. 4 times 4 is 16. 16 plus 34 is 50. And then that would make this 40, as I add to 90. Number 23. Supplementary, so 180 degrees, so 6x plus x plus 5 equals 180. That's 7x's. We can go ahead and move the 5 over. 7x equals 175. Divide by 7, divide by 7. Did I do that correct? Yeah. 180 divided by 7 is a really crappy decimal. So what we're going to do, it's like 25.7 if I was going to round. I'm not going to round, and I'm going to keep it in my calculator, and I'm going to multiply it by 6 to get this angle, to get the most exact answer as I can. Now I'm going to round. 154.3. So if that is 154.3, I'm going to subtract that from 180 to get my other angle. So 180 minus 154.3. This one's 25.7. That does not make sense. I'm making a mistake somewhere, guys. Where am I making a mistake? Alright, I found my mistake. This is not 25.7. 175 divided by 7 is actually 25. Oh, lordy. Okay, so 6 times 25 is 150. So this is 150 degrees, and then 25 plus 5 is 30 degrees. That makes much more sense. Sorry about that, guys. Okay. As a reminder, make sure that you're watching the videos, all of them, that you're taking all these notes, and that you're working on the homework. There will be a 1.5 homework assignment after these notes. Thanks, guys.